What up, everyone? Here's how it's gonna have four boxes. Three girl from the Star Wars. Fourth be with you are two, because there was only two per household. Mr. Grail, you're up. But we're gonna save the Star Wars ones for last. So, that may the fourth be with you. Oh. Sunday. I have amazing news for you guys, but I'll save it. Hey, you guys, how are you gonna? I have great news, guys. Yeah, because it's related mystery girl, and I do not want to spoil her. I don't want to spoil it. It's amazing news. Shout out to Mr. Girl. We're gonna again. I'll put them in on the caption below. You guys can go to the website to boxes, but before we open the boxes, make sure you subscribe. You hit that like and the notification bell so you can be updated with future videos. We have Funko Pops here too. We just been leaving Funko Pops left and right as of late. We went a little crazy and whatnot, but we didn't pre-open these. Shut up. And what does my video say again? What does my video say again? You gotta hold the box, open it with the flap. Remember, guys, if you order one, the flap this way. So when you open it, open it, facing up, right? So we're looking for a premium. Don't mind out anything else we have, as long as it's not a double, which we've never gotten a double off. Just let me just put that out there. We never gotten a double from Mr. Girl. We just already own that Funko. That made it duplicate. Here we go. The truth first box from the Sunday. Westworld. See, I don't really watch Westworld, but it is a 2017 summer exclusive convention. Young Ford. I did own Teddy for some reason, and Bernard. I had them. Mystery box, I believe it was. Another place. And here we go. That's one down. Here to go. At the can on lollipop. Anyways, let's go here. Let's go here. Get it over, Will. Get it over, Will. And again, box open. Drum roll, please. And we actually have sound. Drum roll, please. Dopey. That's I was, unfortunately. Just kidding. Another lollipop. This time we'll take it out. And the out. You guys. Dopey. It's funny because my daughter was collecting the line of Snow White. We stopped at Grumpy Doc and the Witch. Now, 5 years later, 4 years later. What year is this? Anywho, another one. Not a premium girl. And are we doing Star Wars? They both came in at the same time, so might as well as mail call from Mystery Grail. So we're gonna do them both. May the force be with you. Now this one's a tricky one because I'm mainly Marvel and Star Wars collector. Or anime now, it's taken over that. one feels heavier than the other, which is I doubt that makes a difference. Normally, I already have these pre-cut, but not this time. But anyways, May the 4th be with me. And that's how they do it. They put a little Star Wars on it. The Star Wars sticker for the glow in the dark. They had a glow in the dark sticker. Didn't get one even. Mystery girl, but here we go. Ooh, I'm gonna close my eyes, guys. Tell me if it's a grail. We got the grail. We got the New York Comic Con edition Rogue One Biston or Byston, however you want to say it. But oh my god. Again, if we wanted some grails, Star Wars was the place to go. Oh man. Definitely gonna post a picture on this and give him a shout out. But here comes. Could this be like one of the big characters? Could this be like a Darth Maul autograph? Be a Anakin Skywalker. Master Skywalker. It's too many. Okay. Anyways. Again, I'm closing my eyes. You guys tell me. I really can. It's live, but girlfriend, if she goes, oh! Anywho, go. 3, 2, 1. The force be with you. Oh, it fell out. It fell out. And bro, okay. We just no, we don't have her. We don't have her. That's I was gonna say we just got her, but it's a different. The other one, she's in a battle stance. But hey, this was showing up like there's like a little poster, or whatever they post, and those are like their premium mega grails, and this was in that list. So these two were on that list. Sorry guys, that was for the thumbnail. What? Let's go. See, this one's the one we have that we just got in the mail, like probably like 2 weeks ago. Okay, and you can see she's different. She doesn't have the cloak. Doesn't have the hoodie on. Hey, this was a great grail. They're all great. They're all great. They're all good because we always end up doing something with the extra one we probably don't want or could really care less for. There's always other friends that we have who collect, who may have some want they don't want. Guys, again, I appreciate y'all watching, all the subscriptions. We are almost at that 100. We were just 30, but we were just like 35 away not too long ago, and now we're just less than 2 away. So appreciate you guys. Don't forget, if you didn't do so at the beginning of the video, make sure you do so now. Subscribe, hit that like, the notification, and hey, anything else you need Funko Pop related and more, maybe I don't know, talk about the upcoming Funko Pops or whatever the case may be. Comment below whatever you want to see. What kind of videos Funko related do you? So guys, again, appreciate y'all coming, and as just like Michael Scott likes to say, catch you guys on that flippity flip.